Okay, so this is day 5 update, and looky. Can we see? Right there. We have little grass sprouting all over the place. Right there. Oops. Little grasslings. However, we also have that guy right there. And that is a weed from the straw. Oops, dang it. If I can pull it out, and there you can still see the shell from the seed. Let's lay it down here. So there you can see the seed itself, and then the little sprout coming out of it. And those little guys are everywhere. So this is why you don't use straw when you plant new grass, because they are just everywhere. Look at that guy. Look at that. Let's bring it out here. So, the good news is the grass is growing. The bad news is so are all the seeds from the straw, which I knew was going to happen. It's just a bummer to see it. Now, the place that we got this straw, we talked to a guy, one of the employees there, and he said, oh, don't worry about the seed because they need to grow to 2 feet tall to survive. So they'll sprout, but then you mow and they'll eventually die. And I just don't know that I'm convinced of that. But as you can see, 5 days, germination has occurred, and the grass is growing. I watered the first day twice. I watered in the morning, then I watered in the afternoon. And temps here have been consistently in the 90s, mid to high 90s. And today has been the second day. We got a lot of rain last night, and today is the second cloudy day that we've had. So, warm temps. And this is the first day we've gotten rain since planting. So tiny over here, but they are in there. So the grass is growing, but so is the seed, unfortunately. But that's the 1 week update. More to come.